Hey, I need to declare a firearm.
Oh. Why do we say that? Like, it's a bad thing. I'm so sorry. You're going to go straight down this hallway.
Okay.
At the very end, you let the lady know standing at the queue that
Okay.
you're declaring a weapon and they pull you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is my first time declaring a firearm through New York City JFK Airport.
They told me I need to declare a firearm. It's
Firearm?
the service right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you. Hello, I need to declare a firearm.
Oh,
They told me.
it's not here, though. It's on the other side.
The other side?
Right.
Okay.
Keep going down to special services.
Okay, all right, thank you so much.
When declaring the firearm, it's important that you have a TSA approved lockbox with the firearm unloaded, magazine unloaded, and ammo in the original box, all inside your checked baggage.
They told me I need to go to special services so I can declare my firearm.
Yeah. You can go inside there to the second.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Hey, how you doing? I need to declare my firearm.
Oh, over there. You gotta go to the counter.
So,
Yeah.
they keep telling me. They told me come here, and
No, the counter.
so the counter. All right, thank you. Hey, how you doing? I know I need to declare a firearm.
Oh.
All right, thank you.
Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
So it's gonna be in the bag?
Yeah, it's gonna be in the bag.
You're not carrying on.
Absolutely not. No.
Once you get to the counter and declare, you need to remove your safe from your check bag and put it. At this moment in the video, he is calling Port Authority to come down to check to make sure the firearm is registered to me.
And where are we traveling to today, sir?
Tennessee.
At this time, the JetBlue agent was making sure that my ID matched with all my information on the boarding pass, as well as making sure he put me in the system and then grabbing the actual paperwork for the firearm.
So what they do, so you're gonna fill these out. So it's gonna be your signature.
Okay.
Here and here,
Okay.
and then I'll pretty much do everything else.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Yeah, everything's like a new code. Put in a new code. Put in a new code that's associated with the boarding pass.
Okay.
So if you haven't done this before, when you land in Nashville, you're gonna go to the office, the baggage service office,
Yep.
to pick up the bag. If you've never.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's different. I did it like in 2020, and it was different. They just had it in a thing. That's good to know. So I always tell my students, like, this is how you travel, so I just want to know exactly the right way to do it. Yep.
The agent is speaking about the special red tag that has to be attached to your checked baggage so the airline knows there is a firearm stored inside the bag. Once the airline lands and the bags are being unloaded on the conveyor belt, your bag is brought into a specific location where you need to show your ID and permit to retrieve it. Every airport's baggage retrieval process is different, so you can try to call ahead or look on the website to see.
And they'll open it. They'll maybe open it when they get here and check.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
May I assist the following customer?
If you don't mind, I'll just throw that in there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll throw that in there just so they're not on their way.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
just close that up because I don't want to be like as
Yep.
less in their way as possible.
All right.
And then this one I'm just gonna throw like in the bag.
Okay. Perfect.
The agent then hands back both my IDs and boarding pass as I wait for the police officer to then arrive.
Hey, how you doing?
May I assist the following customer? May I assist the following customer?
City, you have to either have a resident or non-resident concealed carry permit to fly out of JFK or LaGuardia, and the firearm you are flying with has to match the firearm listed on the back of your New York City license. The Port Authority police officer is cross-referencing my license with my serial number of my firearm. Open it. Yep, 365. And then this is the pin, the 10.
You know serial numbers on it?
Yeah, right.
You gotta put the tag inside?
Yeah, yep, the tag inside.
Okay.
Yeah, yep.
It's all good?
Yep.
All right, let me just...
The agent is now calling the JetBlue baggage crew to let them know the firearm was cleared by Port Authority police. Now he takes my bag and he puts it on the conveyor belt, and I can now go through TSA checkpoint and head to my gate to my flight. I hope this video has helped, but quick disclaimer, make sure you follow TSA guidelines as well as have a permit for the state you are flying out of as well as into. Your permit must be reciprocal to that state.